Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share a YouTube video on Instagram Story. Let's get started. Firstly, open your YouTube app and look for the video that you want to share on your Instagram Story. Once you've found the video, tap on the three dots under the thumbnail, look for the share option and tap on that, and click copy link. From here, you may now close your YouTube app and open your Instagram app. Swipe right to access your Instagram story. In the story interface, click your device's photos at the bottom left corner of your screen and choose a photo or a video that you want to be a background for your Instagram story. At the top part of your screen, you'll see options. Click the sticker button, which is the rounded square with a smiley face. And from there, scroll until you find the link sticker. To add the YouTube link, paste the YouTube video URL you copied earlier at the text box and click Done. Your Instagram story now contains a link to the YouTube video. You can resize, reposition, or customize the appearance of the link as desired. Once you're satisfied with your Instagram story, you may share it with only your close friends or to all of your followers. If you want to share it with your close friends, tap on the Close Friends button. And if you want to share it with all of your followers, tap the button of the arrow pointing to the right. And that's it. You've successfully shared the YouTube video on your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!